Odofo, yɛda sorry anɔpɛ a yɛante asɛmɔdɛ. Ɛyɛ yɛnua Wendy Shay a ɔhyɛ ɛyɛ Rough Town Records ase. Baabi a na ɛbɔne ɛwɔ ansa na wɔkɔ no nkra no. Ɛndra anadwo accident a wɔkɔnyaayɛ no. Ɛyɛ nyame nko a anka wɔtoa nananom ɛwɔ ɛnseɛ do. Enkyirimu ɛbaeɛ no ma yɛte aseɛ sɛ ɔne tipa truck bi a na wɔloadi anwea ana ekodi saa ehyiamu na ema akwanhyia wei esiye na asɛm esi ndra anadwo no ema me correlate to ensɛm a ɔkɔka wɔ Belamundi program so ɔkasafa protection ho spirituality ama ɔnam so de afutuo ma wɔn a wɔba music industry no foforo no sɛ wɔn hia protection ansa no matimi ewura industry no ma ɔka kosi sɛ A-list artist akɛse a ɛwɔ ɔman mu no obia ɛwɔ protection sɛ oni white protection na or black protection. And into Wadaroma, so when you subscribe to Big Eye Africa TV, no one me bell notification icon so. Said a bear video be a debetumbiano, on sabetimi akabina wetimi ashe. And into young kosha kwaya accident no efaso esi.
Me were between ACP Estate ne Kwabenya Junction. That stretch no so say adesa sana e kwani dem police for kwani mum but cars ne twa mi kapa. Na me ya bedru unse opa university Accra campus no junction no so valley musa o yes o fro no na musa ni pe ku cars bi no ba na me se ma me park na me hwa ade me hwa na me hu se lady bpa na ti wa bom pese te say when the Shay no na me se no let me rush and see what's happening me hwa na when the Shay ne wrangler no use no ya register no customized Shay quickly na me ben na bisa say what is happening no say ontimi nkasa bebre na ni ti board dashboard na me say then no say track no nti perform around na chem say track tipa track or loadi anwea ofi onu ne free ACP estate ebesia ko Kwabenya na when the Shay so fi Kwabenya ebesia ko towards ACP estate. Now, according to eyewitnesses, no, when the Shay try very hard so by avoiding no, but or the in any way, in thinking that's the one side of Kedikora and the side Kora that the man Kedianka when the Shay ran to a little bit topple over, that's some assault or something. But well, according to eyewitnesses, when the Shay driving very well, try so by avoiding to up the front side, no. Me who to say the tie no achia tie na says then when the Shay or complain say the tie ya enti nkofo gu no hu sisi a omo try so mbebo na de na hospital enti me tinye ne ma beto so no
it's a prince ye ne o kasa sisi still or accident scene wa on call hospital ye
no accident scene wa nkofo omo try say on ne nkofo try so mbe ne be efika ni because na car na ye no so mu job e be valuable say wo mu no nkofo be fa and especially nkofo hu ni papa ya o ye no nkofo be fa valuable so wo car ni so mo try so be 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 car ni na o mo de na hospital but I spoke to her and she seemed fine but all she told me was that the T-board there until the tina.
And about you, only for a fact say no on one and air driving, no on one and air driving, and now wine, na ne a walk no.
Okay, minute Katanana, there was another lady, we front seat, no. There was another Tacoma, the parking chain, so I don't know. I can't tell for now. Say, on one and air car, he may driving, and now said there were other people because now the other ladies were rough front seats now, all VIP compartments, no, so I haven't gotten that information yet. Say on one car now, so on the other car.
Not just a prince, so now who narrated says still our accident scene. Is it that anything serious? Because also the TNA, no bruises. She knew I calling for emergency. By this time I sank our hospital bed. So Anna, actually to Nana.
I think say a serious crime because social now I disoriented kakra. Many kasano on ye miti ne pema de miti me. And see, I even tried introducing myself. But ofi menchen utin say aso wa yira baby or walk akra and that calls for alarm. I think say she needs medical attention. Now me hu say omo movie nti me don't want na Tacoma ni me sure so hospital no mo de nebeko.
Okay. Na yes see the only nkofo movie from accident scene ho ebi omuni na eko hospital but car na de egusu scene ho baby e wo na
it's the home tipper the tipper is also lying on its side.
Oh.
Yes, the tipper. So that should tell you the impact. The tipper is lying on its side.
Tipper ni so amuni.
Tipper ni so amuni. The tipper is lying on its side. When the shade and also actually half AC gutter move and I have CC coin.
Okay, that's the gutter in the shots there. I just been. Now me pa short tipper truck driver no so.
Tipper truck driver no. Now Crawford Castle wakim, but as attention in the so. Attention when the shade because she is popular. Obi anino. And the attention in the so me try to make her close, but then we crowd are back on and your crowd ketwa. So in a visuals no cry, I stole the visuals. I couldn't remove my phone and display send me a picture and I mean videos. I had to find a way of stealing the visuals quickly. Oh now tipper driver no musu wakim. But me shame with them who be a woman, but musu wakim.